siya nga, I know nga you are in a hurry, I know nga you value your time, I know nga you also, you are so busy, nga ako po, busy po, so for me to make it shorter, can I ask you 4 questions answerable by yes or no? So, yun siya nga, unsa mga question. This is simple. Just answer yes or no. So, the first question yun akong ipangutanan niya is, do you have a dream? Kung this is answerable by yes or no. Yun siya, of course, yes. So that's good. Okay, if you answered otherwise or no, meeting is over. Meeting is over. It's okay. And then the second question is, do you have time for your dream? And then siya, okay, yes. I have time for my dream. And then yes, so it will make me proceed to the next question. The next question is, are you willing to do for your dream? You have time, are you willing to work for that dream? So you say yes. That's good. Okay, or else, di ka willing to do that, to do your dream, so wala na. So the fourth question, which is very crucial, and this is very crucial question, you have to think twice. You have to think twice before answering yes or no. So, okay. So, this is my last question. If you continue doing what you have been doing now, will you be able to achieve your dream? And you then say, yes. And you then go, okay, that's good. Congratulations. Meeting is over. Isa. Di ba, ako kang giingon nga, if you continue doing what you have been doing now, will you be able to achieve your dream? And you said yes, so I don't have to waste my time talking to you this vehicle. So, dili yun. Sayop na yung answer. So, yun na ba? So, motong akong giingnan yun siya nga, you have to think twice first kay, or else, kung naan na siya pamaagi, nga ma-achieve niya yung dream through what he's doing now, then why do you have to waste your time? So those are the 4 questions nga kanang to qualify ba para dili bitaw madugay ka sa imong istorya. So if mayngan siya nga, of course, dili gid na ako ma-achieve akong dream by doing what I have been doing now. That's why I'm looking for other ways. So mo nang naanin ning good. So di na to ma-achieve ang atong dream by what we are currently doing now. So that's why we have the good. So, mo na nga, are you willing to do the work? So, willing ta mo do the work, tanan?
Yes!
That's good. So, actually, I'm so thankful sa inyong presence karon. Kay, you have that attitude ba? Nga, you are willing to learn. Kay, once nga ang tao dili na willing to learn, wala na willingness to learn, wala na siya, deteriorate na siya. Di na